Alright, so we'll be showing you how to reset the maintenance reminder or the maintenance required light on a 2014 Toyota Camry. That is done through this little display over here at the odometer and by pressing this trip button. So you press the trip button, let's see here, until you get to trip A and turn the ignition off. Now press and hold the trip button and turn the ignition on while you continue to hold the trip button. So key on, and those dots will flash, and once you get down to the no dots, that shows that you've reset it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.